Hi there, everybody! I'm here in my cozy tent in my room. It's way too cold outside. But you know what? I've got a fantastic story to share with you today. And I can't wait to tell you all about it. I've got the story here, and it's a real adventure. But here's the cool part. When I open the book, something amazing happened. The words come alive and start floating above my head. Can you believe it? Yeah. Are you ready for the adventure? Let's begin. Alex and Mia are in the snowy forest. They find an old map and it excites them. Yes, can you see? Them is the word we use to talk about Mia and Alex together. Yeah, they are in the snowy forest. Great. They decide to follow the clues on it. Yes, it. Exactly, on the map. Soon they come across a frozen lake and they decide to walk on it. Yes, it. It, you mean the lake, right? Exactly. They discover a chest buried in the snow. Oh, look! Wow! There's a chest in the snow. I love it. They open it and find shiny treasures that amaze them. Yeah, they both together. They are very happy and the adventure brings them closer together. Yeah, nice. Of course, they're friends. That's the end of our story. See how the words and pictures went right into the book? Yeah, I hope you really enjoyed our adventure together. And remember, pronouns like them and it help us tell stories and make our language even more fun.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello friends, today let's work with what? The number 5 activity, the indirect object pronouns. Oops. Yes, the words you see in here. But what are they? What are the indirect object pronouns? They are tiny words, the little shortcut words that we use instead of saying someone's name or who the action is for. Look at the examples. Instead of saying, I'll give a present to Sarah, I can say I give a present to her. So I don't say Sarah now and I just say her. But her means Sarah. Or Mom cooked dinner for me and Dad, and we can say Mom cooked dinner for us. This tiny word, this pronoun, is talking about me and Dad, right? Okay, and we have them here. So what are we going to do? Can you see them? We have this text and we just need to find the indirect object pronouns in the following story and connect them with their subjects, all right? So if you see it, them, you, him, you just need to circle or underline and find who are they talking about. Let's do this together. Alex and Mia are in the snowy forest. They find... Oh, they? It's they an indirect object pronoun? No, it's them, not they. So they is okay. They find an old map, right? And it excites them. Excites them. So we have the first one. T-H-E-M. Well done. It excites them, right? But who is exciting? Who is getting excited? Them? Who? They, right? The boy and girl. And Alex and Mia, the same, right? So Alex and Mia, yes, they find an old map and the map is exciting them. Oh yes, and look, we also missed an indirect object pronoun before. It, the map, right? Let's go and keep reading. They decide to follow the clues on it. Again, on it. But it, what is it talking about? What is this it coming from? So they decide to follow the clues on the map, right? Yes. So on the map, but instead of saying map again, we just use the object indirect pronoun it. Great. Soon they come across a frozen lake and they decide to walk on it. Again, we have another it. Actually, the third one. I didn't do the circle of the first one, but you can see it. So, walk on it, but the map, they decide to walk on the map? No, they decide to walk on the frozen lake. So that is what it is talking about now, okay? And what a surprise! They discover a chess bird in the snow and they open it. They open the map, they open the lake, or they open the chest. They open the chest, right? They open the chest. Great. And find shiny treasures that amaze them. Amaze them. THEM. So this them is talking about who again? Yes, about the only characters of the story, Alex and Mia. Yeah, and this is it. Super. Very good. Remember that the indirect object pronouns are tiny words we use to not keep using the names all the time. Great!